Origin Pharmaceutical Services is a leading contract research, development and manufacturing organization that offers integrated end-to-end services covering the complete life cycle of a drug from research to the market. Our world-class laboratories and manufacturing infrastructure allow us to produce products at an unmatched speed while upholding the highest quality and safety standards. Origin Pharmaceutical Services provides a wide range of development services covering both chemical development and formulation development. Starting from preclinical and clinical trials, we synthesize and manufacture new drug candidates from few grams for efficacy and toxicology studies to multi-kilogram for clinical trial studies. With a wide range of chemical development services for pharmaceutical, agrochemicals, fine chemicals, and animal health industry, we support the development of key starting materials, registered starting materials, advanced intermediates, NCEs and APIs from the preclinical, clinical to the commercial stage. We follow the most efficient approach based on select principle to conduct a systematic study. With our expertise, along with the state-of-the-art infrastructure and diverse experience, we develop formulations for preclinical and clinical needs to support oral, topical, and parenteral administration. As an integrated part of our formulation services, our pre-formulation offerings cover the assessment of a wide range of physical and chemical properties which are critical to establish the ideal formulation and delivery method for our lead candidates. Our formulation development services handle complex oral solid dosage forms, oral liquids, and parenteral dosage forms, and specialize in pediatric dosage forms and modified release dosage forms. With this, we provide preclinical formulation, first-in-human formulation development, and late-stage formulation studies. There are various stages to a drug development program that need alignment of objectives and optimization of resource utilization. While clinical success of a drug is majorly influenced by its therapeutic potential, a systematic development approach has an equal contribution to its success. By integrating the API and formulation services, we at Origin Pharmaceutical Services are uniquely positioned to offer significant advantage to our customers that leverage the technical integration of both the teams, where a continuous feedback loop ensures a better technical quality of development and saves costs and time for our customers. We have access to manufacturing facilities across the globe, with facilities located in India, UK, Mexico, and USA. We support large-scale manufacturing up to multi-ton scale. Our manufacturing infrastructure spans across 8 API facilities and 10 formulation facilities located across the globe. We have dedicated facilities to handle peptide and HPAPI manufacturing. Our facilities are inspected by global regulatory authorities like the US FDA, UK MHRA, TGA Australia, PMDA Japan, among others. We have capabilities to handle niche technologies like peptides, high-potent active pharmaceutical ingredient steroids, methoxypolyethylene glycols, and prostaglandins. At our formulation technology plants, we have systems to cater to solid dosage, dry powder filling, pre-filled syringe, nasal spray, and vial filling. Our cross-functional team of scientists, engineers, and other support functions is helmed by our project managers with in-depth technochemical expertise and experience to seamlessly execute projects. We also abide by a real-time project management philosophy in order to provide complete transparency to our clients and achieve trust and credibility between the teams. At Origin, our relentless pursuit and adherence to high quality and safety standards brings a long-term partnership of complete support and collaboration to the relationship with our clients. Our expertise and experience distinguishes us on the global platform with an ability for speed in delivery and adaptability to every possible requirement to make every drug seamlessly transition from an idea to a reality.